The state's highest court heard arguments today in Karen Reed's attempt to have some of her charges dismissed. WBZ's Kristina has been in court since early this morning following the case. So, Kristina, what have we learned so far?
Well, Paula, we've heard these arguments before from Karen Reed's attorneys. They don't think she should be retried on 2 of her 3 charges if the jury had privately voted to acquit her on those charges. Now, this is a novel issue, and to call back jurors to interview them is typically only done when there's allegations of racism or misconduct. And some of the justices this morning seemed hesitant to add new law because of this case.
Commonwealth versus Karen Reed.
Karen Reed now before justices of the state's highest court. Not asking the SJC to drop 2 charges against her outright, but asking the court to rule that the judge in the lower court should have and can poll the jury now to determine if they actually reached a unanimous decision during the first trial. Reed's lawyers argue they did, and that the judge should have asked the jurors to clarify the outcome of each charge instead of declaring a mistrial.
How do we factor in that you've got to know that that's going to be on the table? Is that a mistrial? And what obligation is there on counsel to say, hey, before you declare a mistrial, let's talk about alternatives to that?
A decision from the court on this issue from trial number 1 could take months ahead of a second trial scheduled for January in Dedham, a date that could get pushed to April following a request by both sides for a delay. The family of victim John O'Keefe leaving court silently, as Karen Reed's father says.
This is a hell that seemingly has no end. It's not a prosecution, it's a persecution of Karen Reed. And we remain hopeful that men and women of integrity will undo the wrongs that have been perpetrated on my family and my daughter.
So it's a waiting game now on multiple fronts. We don't know how long it'll take the SJC to make a decision here. Typically, it takes a few months. And then again, both sides have asked for the second trial to be moved to April, but the judge has still not determined whether that will actually happen. Live in Boston, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
And we brought you this hearing live on our free streaming service, CBS News Boston. You can find that anytime on the CBS News app. It's free, Pluto TV, or on our website, WBZ.com.